This lecture is about packages in Java. Packaging is a way of putting classes together in Java. So this lecture covers how to create the packages and then how to use those packages in your program. Now the main feature of any object-oriented programming is that its ability to support the reuses of the code. Reuses of the code can be done with the help of extending the already created classes or by extending the interfaces that are already developed in the system, already developed by some other developers. So you can reuse the code instead of redeveloping all those code again and again. You can use all those code in your program. So this is similar to the feature of class libraries. Class libraries that are developed in other programming languages like C++, you can create a DLL file. So those DLL files are the files that contain the executable codes, and you can use the classes that are declared in those DLL file in your own program. Similar concept is available in Java. We have the class file that are available in Java. You can use the class file in your own program by importing the class file. Now you don't need to use the code of those class file. You have to only import the class file, and you can use the classes that are available in those class file. So packages is one of the way that will club all the classes that belong to the same category. So package are Java way of grouping a number of related classes. This is basically act as a container. It is similar to directory or the folder in your operating system. So what are the benefits? Benefits are again very useful way, very useful. You can say packages are used for classes that contain in package of other program application can be reused. The very first benefit is the reuses. In packages, classes can be unique compared with the classes in other packages. For example, two packages can have the same class and same class name, and you can use both the classes in your program. Same class name can be used in your program, but the class name belong to different packages. Then classes in package can be hidden if we don't want other packages to access them. For example, in my package I have class A, B and C, and I want all the user can use only class A and class B should be restricted from the users. Then I can do it with the help of packages. So Java also provide all the library classes with the help of packages. There are 6 foundation packages that are available in Java. These packages are lang package, util, IO, AWT, net, applet. So these 6 packages are basically the 6 folders in your operating system, and when you open the folder, you can see the classes that are available in this folder, and you can reuse all those classes in your program for developing your own system. Packages are organized in hierarchical structure. For example, we have at the top level folder. The folder may contain the subfolder, subfolder may contain subfolder, and ultimately we have the classes, and classes may ultimately contain the methods. So all the methods contained into the classes, and classes contained into a folder which correspond to a package in Java, and one folder may contain another folder also. For example, we have at the top level Java folder which contain lang folder, AWT folder and some other folders also. AWT folder contain the classes and classes contain the method. So it creates a hierarchical structure to represent the system in Java. Then there are 2 ways of accessing the classes. Either you can use fully qualified name. For example, you can use java.lang.mat.square root. It is fully qualified name starting from the top level directory, then subdirectory, then name of the class, then finally we can use the name of the method. Or another way is you can import the class into your program, and then you can use the name of the class followed by name of the method in your program. So only all the classes in the package can be imported, or only some selected classes can be imported. If you want to import only selected class, you have to give only class name, and if you write the star, then it will import all the classes in that particular package. And there is one package that is implicitly imported in your program, there is no need to write this particular statement import java.lang.star, because this particular package is automatically imported in all your program, and no need to write this particular line. And if you need to write the import statement, then import statement must be the very first line in your program. Then you can create your own package using the package keyword. Package keyword is available in Java. Package statement must be the first statement in the Java source file. For example, package my package. Then I have created two classes, class A and class B. Now these both classes, this particular source file should be contained into a folder whose name is my package, and when I compile these two files, it will create two class files. One is class A.class, another one is class B.class, and both the files are contained into folder, are located into a folder that is my package. Classes in one or more source file can be part of the same package. As package in Java are organized hierarchically, sub-package can be created. To create sub-package, you have to use the dot operator. So package, my package, dot second package, dot third package. So this means third package is a folder which is contained into a second package folder which is contained into a my package folder. So dot operator is used to create the hierarchy, to denote the hierarchy in Java. As indicated earlier, classes in package can be set using a fully qualified name or using a shortcut. So if you want to use a shortcut, you have to import the package, and the general format of importing the package is import keyword followed by name of the package dot subpackage dot subpackage. Now it is optional. Then finally you have to give the class name, or you can write the star. If you write the star, then that means every class in that particular package will be imported, and if you give only the class name, then only that particular class will be imported in your program. Now let us look on an example. I have a class A, and this class A is defined in a package my package, and my package is in my system I will create a folder my package, and in that folder I will store a source code of class A. So I will create a class A, and it will be a public class. This file can contain another class also, and there is a display method of class A. And within the current directory, suppose it is ABC, I create another class, class X, another file, ClassX.java, and in ClassX.java I want to create the object of class A, which is available in my package. So the very first statement should be import my package.class A. I have to import this particular class in my program, and then I can create the object of this class in my program, and then I call the display method of this particular class. So in order to use this class, I have to import this class A into my class X. When I compile ClassX.java, it will create the ClassX.class file, and that file will be located into ABC folder, and it will, after when I try to execute this particular file, then it will look into my package folder for class A.class. If class A.class file is not available in my package folder, then it will try to compile class A.java, and it will automatically create class A.class. And if class A.java is not available in my package folder, then only it will give the compile time error. So this means when you compile the class X program, it will automatically create the class file, and it will automatically create the class file of all the dependent packages. Now let us store another program, create another program class C, which is available in second package. So I create a second package folder in my system, which is located in the same folder where my first package is there. So I have at the top level ABC folder. In ABC folder I have my package folder, and at the same folder I have second package folder. Now in second package folder I am creating a class C and having the method display. Now again, after creating this class and compiling this class, a class C.class file will be located in folder second package. After that, in ABC folder I create another file, class Y.java, and in class Y.java I want to create the object of class A as well as object of class C. So in order to use this statement, I have to import my package.classa and I have to import second package.classc also, and only then after that I can create class object of class A and object of class C. So in order to reuse the code, you have to import the classes. The output of this program will be hello I am class A and hello I am class C, because I am creating the object of class A and class C and I am calling the display method of object A and display method of object C. So they will call and this will produce this particular output. Now the package can also be used for resolving the name clash. For example, when developer creates the package, chances are that the two packages contain the same class. For example, in package pack1 there is a class called student, and in package pack2 there is also a class whose name is student. So there are two classes who has same name, and when in my program I import pack1 dot star, I import pack2 dot star, this means I am importing this student class from pack1 also and this student class from pack2 also. And if I try to write in my program student1, it will create a compile time error, because now system does not know if student1 is a object of class from pack1 or it is object of class from pack2. So this is now name clashing. To resolve the name clashing, we have to use a fully qualified name. So I have to write import pack1 star, import pack2 dot star, and then pack1 dot student, student1, pack2 dot student, student2. Now student1 is a object of student class which belongs to pack1, student2 is a object of student class which belongs to pack2. Similarly, I can create another objects also from the classes which belongs to either pack1 or pack2. Similarly, we can extend a class from a package. A new class called professor can be created by extending the teacher class. Now teacher class is contained into pack1, so I have to import pack1.teacher, and then I can use this particular class to create my own class professor, public class professor that extends the teacher. Classpath is a very important environment variable. It is basically a global variable that belongs to your operating system. So if you are using Windows operating system, then different class path will be there. If you are using Linux operating system, then class path variable setting will be different. So it needed for the program that are using the system operating system, it needed for the Java compiler and runtime to locate the Java packages used in a Java program. In class path, we are just telling the system that what is the path of the file class files that are library files for Java, that are what is the path of those class files, those files in your operating system, in your computer system. So this is, as I earlier said, it is the variable of operating system. So you can set this variable from the operating system. So if you are using Windows operating system, you have to choose the control panel, go to the control panel, then go to the system, advanced, and then environment variable. So when you select the environment variable, there will be two options, either system variable or user variable. You have to select the system variable if you want to set the environment variable for all the user, and you have to set the select the user variable if you want to set only for the current login user, and then choose edit if class path already exists, or new if class path does not exist. So I will show you the window. So this is the window of environment variable. When in this variable, if class path variable is already defined in your system, then you have to select the edit button. If this particular class path variable is not visible here, then you have to select the new button. If you select the new button, edit system variable will open, and you have to write the variable name class path and then give the values of all the location in the value field. You have to provide the directory, all those directories, all those folder where your Java class files are available. See? And if you have already available variable is already there, then you can use the edit button to edit this particular value. Then enter the class path as then you have to write, for example, in C Java project classes, some classes can be under the C folder, under Java project folder, and some classes may be in D drive under Tomcat folder. So you can write all the locations where your class files are available, and every location is separated by a semicolon. It is very important that location is separated by semicolon, and there is one special, you can see dot here, where is one special location. Dot denotes the current working directory. So the class file will automatically look into the current working directory. If not found there, then it will go to the next location. If not found there, then it will go to the next location, and so on. So you have to define the class path. You have to tell the system about all the folders where the class file can possibly be residing. So this is how you set the class path. So finally, we can say that packages allow the grouping of related classes into a single unit. Packages are organized in hierarchical structure, and packages handle the name clashing issues, and packages can be accessed or inherited without actual copy of code to each program. So that is all about packages. More can be found in the books, and you can consult with me at any time if you need to know any concept.